Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can install Codeium in VS Code. So let's begin the video. Here first you have to open the Codeium. Here you can see that I have opened the Codeium and you can see the download option on the top right. So simply click on that. Here now you can see the Windows editor. You can download that, and here you also have these Codeium extensions. And if I show you more in the Codeium extension, you can see here the different extensions of Visual Studio. You can see here Google and Deep Notes and all these. As we want to download Visual Studio, so simply click on that. Here you can see that they are redirecting us to the page, and here in the page you can see Codeium in Visual Studio Code VS Code. Here you can install by simply clicking on get install. Here you also have a video you can see, and here if I talk about how you can install manually, here first you have to open the extension, and after opening the extension you have to search here in the extensions Codeium, and then you have to install Codeium in the extension. And after installing the Codeium you have this authorize option where you have to give authorization to this Codeium, and then you have to create account, you have to sign in, and after that all will be done and you can use your Codeium in the VS Code. So I will teach you both ways, how you can do a quick and how you can do manually. And here you can also see some uses of the Codeium as well. So for quick you just have to click on this quick install and it will be installed. Now for manual way, I have opened the extension. Here you can see the extension, and here in the extensions you have to search for Codeium as I did. Here you have to install the Codeium. For that simply click on install, and here you can also install any specific update or version. Before that you can also see here all about Codeium, how it works and how you can use it. Here you can see that they are teaching us how you can use Codeium. Now let's talk about how to install. Here you can install any specific version as well. So for that you will click on this gear option, then click on specific version. Then they will show you all the version 1 day ago, 4 day ago. Choose anyone and install. Here you can see that our Codeium is installing, and after installing you have to sign in. So here you can also see that they are asking us to first sign in. So here you have to allow and you have to sign in. Here they have redirected us to the Codeium website where you have to sign in first for using this Codeium. So here you can sign in. I have already signed in, so I didn't did that. So if you are not, then please sign in first, and after that you have to allow some permissions. And here you can see that now you can see that below extension one more icon is added. Here you can see that this icon is for Codeium. So when you will click on this icon, now here you can use the Codeium. So here for that just simply have to type in just you did in the ChatGPT. Here you can ask anything to the Codeium and you can use that. So if I show you how you can use that, I have asked Codeium to write a function that reverses a linked list in C++. So here you can see that they have created us a reverse link, and here you can see all the information, explanation, code and all these things. So here you can also open this in the separate tab as well. So for that just you have to click on the extension option on the side of the gear. So here you can see that now they are opening Codeium in a new tab for us. Now here you can see the code, and you can see that is more visible and more wide here. Now here you can see the function implementation, and you can also see here explanation. And in explanation you can see that what function does the following things. Here you can see that what function does, and also you can see the explain use cases here as well. Here you can also do test case for REST API. So here you can see that they are giving us an overview, identify test intensive, and choose a testing framework and all these things. Here you can see test case examples where we have GT and all these things. Here you can also ask Codeium to create an API for you. Here you can see that after providing this API purpose, endpoints and request format and database, you can generate an API. Here you can also see API example that Codeium has given us. So here you can also customize one by giving all these informations. That was all about how you can install Codeium in VS Code and how you can use that. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.